What is up everyone, Luke McGuire here and welcome to Inboxr. I'm so excited for you to be here and I wanted to do just a very basic overview of all the tabs here inside of Inboxr to give you guys a bit of an idea of where everything is, and then hit the training tab to go into actual proper training lessons here. But again, I wanted to welcome you to Inboxr. I wanted to say, if you need any help whatsoever, make sure to hit the support button. I'm going to put a big support button down here in the left corner. There'll be actual frequently asked questions there, and you can open a support ticket. It's very important if you need any help to use the support ticket forum, as that way we can track any issues you have if you do it all, and we can get back to you, and then there'll be nothing that'll get missed if you send it to any emails or anything like that. Use the support forum there. From there, go ahead and actually jump into our Facebook VIP group. I'll put that down here as well. And you can join the conversation with all of the other Inboxr members. And we will be doing constant value videos there, helping each other work. It'll be a lot of fun. Now, what you're going to want to do first is have a look up here and decide if you want to have a Facebook chatbot you want to create or a Twitter one first. You can do both. There's no restrictions here. Because you purchased in launch week, guys, you've got it for a one-time investment, which again, you'll never see any other tool that will do anything like Inboxr does for a one-time investment, let alone not give you guys any restrictions like some of the competitors do that don't even do half of what Inboxr does. So again, you've done very well by jumping in during launch week. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is select your fan page from the drop-down menu here. Once you've done that, you can then you'll then be displayed with the dashboard screen. Now, if you haven't set a bot up yet, there'll be no information like this here yet. Essentially, what this is just going to give you some basic stats of how your bot's running, how many people have subscribed to you, how many people have unsubscribed, what days they've subscribed and whatnot, what people are messaging you, what keywords people are messaging you. So we can really tailor messages back to our users that really relate to what they are after. And again, the whole point of a Facebook and social network chatbot and Twitter chatbot, any form of chatbot, is to create a conversation with our followers and then to engage with them, build trust, and then ultimately make a profit and make some sales. And again, I'll show you in the training tab how all of these different tabs here will have your bot set up and running, so you won't ever need to touch it again if you don't want to. But again, I'm just going to run through these tabs really quickly now to show you what they are. Now, audience is essentially going to be people who have signed up to your chatbot by liking your fan page, by commenting on one of your posts, by inboxing you. There's different ways they can be added into your actual chatbot itself. Now, they have to make connection with you first to be able to do this. It's just a Facebook rule, so they need to engage with the post. They need to have liked your they have to like your Facebook fan page. Or they have to have inboxed you itself. So there's multiple different ways, and we can track over here in these tabs where they came from. We can bulk message everyone here right away, right now, if we wanted to create stuff like that, but we'll go through that in a later video. Now, bot training, this is where we create our bot and teach it to actually respond to specific things that we want it to say. So keywords, so for example, if I want to have a bot that says, if someone sends me a message that contains the word menu, then I can have a response that says, hey, are you looking for the menu? Here's a link to our website and here's a 10% discount code. Now, this will walk you through it all here, and I'll do this in live examples in a minute in a different video in the training section, but you get the idea there. You can do it, say if the message contains, if the message equals, if the message starts with, if the message ends with. There's different ways we can create things there, but essentially that's a way we can respond to specific keywords. So if, say, someone says the word booking, that means they're looking after, they're wanting to have information about booking. We can have a response that says that relates to that word there. A sequence allows us to go in and create different flows. So say today I want to send them a message saying, hi, welcome to the Facebook page, I'm Jack. And then I can say after, say, 72 hours, or I can even say let's just say 5 days, I can then send another message. So I can create drip-fed content to my audience that will then allow them, that will then allow me to keep the conversation going with my audience on social media without me having to do it personally. So say I wanted to have a funnel of value, and then give them a sales offer, I can do that here, and I can set up more messages here as well. Now, broadcasts, this is if I want to go ahead and actually send a message to my entire audience of people on my fan page here that are a part of my Inboxr here. So for this fan page here, we've sent two messages and we've had a read rate of 100% here, which is pretty damn good. People open Facebook messages much more than any other form of message. People are addicted to social media, and that's why it's such a great place to start that conversation and really build and sustain that relationship with your audience. No one's doing this, guys, and you are so lucky to be here right now. So again, you can track the click-through rates in this and how many people have opened it, the performance of this, just like you would in an email marketing campaign as well. Now, welcome message, when someone signs up to my fan page or likes my fan page, I can then actually have a welcome message be sent to their inbox saying, hi, welcome, it's top secret. That's what this fan page is called. I can then add in images, I can add in text and buttons, I can add in basically anything here that I want to and have that welcome message say whatever I wanted to say. I can send a selfie of me if I wanted to add in an image there as well. I can click whatever image I want to upload here and that will send when they go ahead and like my fan page. Now I'm going to show you guys that in action in the training again. An error message, guys, this is going to be if the bot doesn't understand what the user is asking. But I might not have it say please try. Again, I might change it to say, hey there, thank you for your message. We will get back to you ASAP with a response, or for a quicker reply, simply call us on, and you can put the number there. And then that way they'll get an instant response. And the way the world is moving is that people get responses quickly, they act on it. If they have too much time to think about it, they won't actually do it. So this is a great way to really follow up with people, especially if they're asking something that they don't understand. Now again, also in here, I'll jump down to live chat. I can actually handle all of my messages inside of Inboxr through this section. These will be all the messages to that fan page. So if I need to manually go in and follow up with someone, or if someone's asked something specifically that the bot hasn't got an answer to, I can do that here as well and continue the conversation here. Now analytics, exactly what it says it is. It's going to show you how the campaigns are going that you're doing, where people drop off, where people stop opening, stuff like that. We'll go through that later. Lead generation is a really cool tab here because again, the whole thing we're trying to do is create leads, then create follow-ups, and then actually make money by sending them to an offer. That's what social media marketing is. That's what marketing is in general. Finding leads, providing value, making sales. That's what we're going to be focusing on. Lead generation here, we have a website widget. So if we want to actually put a chatbot onto our website, say for example, we wanted to give a free opt-in, or giving away a free ebook, or we're doing some form of giveaway 10% discount to our business. Say we're working for a local business and we want to set up a chatbot for them and charge them $1,000 a month, and we say, okay, can you give 10% off to anyone that comes and likes your fan page? Well, what we would then do is have the website widget on their website, and then if they say, do you want 10% off? They click yes. Yes, send it to me on Facebook. They'll be added to Inboxr. Not only then will Inboxr message them directly to their inbox on their Facebook with that discount or whatever it may be. They're also going to be added to the audience there where you can follow up with them indefinitely, which is pretty cool. Comment response. This is going to be if someone comments on any of your posts that have the post that you've posted on your fan page. So if someone comments on this post here, I can have an auto respond message here, and that will then inbox that user the message you want it to respond. So for example, if I own a nightclub, or if I want to go offer this service to a nightclub, I could say, guys,